क्योंकि हम लोग कॉफी पीते गोल्ड हाउस में, इतना ही टाइम हो जाता है।
Morning guys, having my usual morning routine. Have to plan for the day is heading to Nelmangla to deliver few products to CCD. So I'm gonna head out now because it's a Saturday. They close their inward soon. I need to go. Who else coming along? Unnati. So yeah, this dry fruits I have to remove and keep. That's the thing that you have to eat badam without the. I've been telling you guys, follow this, follow this, follow this. The huge results which you'll see. Anyways, let me do this, and I'll see you guys on the road. We'll be going in my Odin boy. You know why I took him. Odin is very comfortable. This is Nelmangla. I have to go. Hello. So I'll see you on the road. Finally, breakfast is on. Sunny side up. Sprouts, paratha. Hello guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's the second time. So heading out to Nelmangla. I have to deliver few of my products to Cafe Coffee Day. So time to head out. And Unnati is coming along. She give me company. My sweetie boy is gonna give me company. Just had our breakfast. So heading out. It's pretty bright and sunny. I need to just fill fuel and then good to go. Guess who's come? My strength always. My gundu. My shundu. So we're heading out to Nelmangla now. Finally time is up. It's around 11:32. It's not going to be a bike ride where we're going to be late. It's going to be a car ride, drive, and we're going to be faster than Google Maps. So.
But you can't beat the Saturday traffic. You got to deal with it.
Yes.
Right?
Mission done. Just put something here. This is Bharat Petroleum. It was due and are going out. It's better to get it done, I guess. So, waiting. Has not put anything inside, has he? But he's waiting inside. Ah. So finally on the nice road, there is shitloads of traffic today. Oh God. Where are people going even today? It's not even a long weekend. My God. We were just thinking, we're going to anyways Tumkur Nelmangla. So we were, contemplating where to go because it's a Saturday, we have time. And we decided to go to
Mysore because मेरे को मैं बताऊंगी नहीं हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, मेरे को जानवरों से बहुत प्यार है, बस यही बताना चाहती हूँ। देखो डांस हुआ, कनेक्टिंग विद कम्युनिटी पीपल, लाइक टॉकिंग टू पीपल, एनिमल्स, यही मेरे को अंदर से एक्साइटेड, मतलब बहुत एक्साइट करते हैं। उसके अलावा मैं ना स्मॉल टॉक्स, शो नहीं पाएगा.
So the travel Kida in us has spoken that Sirsi was too soon. So let's go here also. And this time by car, guys. Reached. Entry being done. That's my car. Time is 12:40. Check this out, guys. Seriously, we are touching Mysore Road. We just got off the nice road. That's Mysore Highway, guys. I'll show you it. So, guys, Mysore Road. Yes, we are serious. We are seriously going to Mysore. I'm serious. Oh, they are impromptu plans, baby. Check that out. Super. As of now, the time to leave to Mysore. Mahal, dekho, Mahal. Check this out, guys. Most favorite part of this. This is where Simha rolled and fell from top. That's why there's a dent there. And that's the
Then
other
he
hill.
flown to this.
Then he flew to this, chopped it in half and let it be like that. See, there's another one there.
It's a beautiful stretch indeed for Mysore.
Yeah, very beautiful. This is where Sholay was shot, no movie. Gabbar Singh might be there on top with Simha. He and him will be partying here on this hill exactly. Anybody around can go visit them tonight for the party there.
Join them for a Saturday night party.
Join them for Saturday night party. Someone on the shiny dress is Simha. Oh, our favorite spot in Mysore. Two spots we're trying to cover. We'll see how that will happen. Depends upon when we'll reach. It was saying 2 hours 20. I've got it down to 1 hour 20. So let's see when we reach. 3:15 something it was telling, no, that time? Nothing. So finally we reached Mysore at 2:20 itself. But there was this jam because this road has been dug. So if you see there, the road has been dug there. That's why there is a jam kind of a thing. If you clear that, we should reach there in another 20 minutes. Unnati hungry, me too hungry. This is I think Ambedkar. Yes, B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar circle. Check this out, guys. Here, Mysore is filled with huge circles like this and straight road. Reached Mysore. Another, I think not Mysore. Another 1 kilometer we should reach, guys. Good timing. Very hungry. Going where? Any guesses? I think we should tell them now. Going to Old House for some nice pizza. Sourdough pizza. Sourdough. And again, you don't say kya dieting karta hai. Sourdough pizza and
I'm
gelato.
going to have avocado.
She's going to have avocado and gelato for sure. To get some sugar rush.
Because it's churn of their own gelatos.
And my most favorite place in Mysore. After that, there's one surprise. Fingers crossed we will be able to make it. Let's see. So finally here, Old House. Finally Old House. We got to sit inside. Because it's full. The usual place where we sit is crazy full it is. Saturday, no? Where are you?
I'm in the old house.
I made it in time.
Very much in time. It was showing 3:12 and we came here by 2:45.
Yeah. 120 I was on Mysore Road, by the way. This is iced long black.
And what I did is, मैंने milk by the side मंगाया था. This is such a good and foamy milk tea. And मैंने इस पे डाला. This look at the layer form.
Amazing, no? They know their shit. This is my most favorite pizza here. Old House. And I don't get this anywhere. It's so awesome. These guys are so good. so talented. Very nice. And time for one for me. Sourdough cheese, big cheese omelette with this. How's it? Yeah. Finally ate in the old house. Guys, I'm not kidding. From coffee to pasta to pizza to the sourdough.
They know their shit.
They know how to make it. It's too good. Worth, I'm telling you, worth every penny to come all the way from Bengaluru. And for all of this, 1.7 is okay, right?
Aram se your sandwich of egg and that spinach sandwich on sourdough was so much in quantity.
Yeah, dude.
And that fluffy omelette and everything. Then the thin crust pizza.
Yeah.
Then the pasta. The quantity was apt for 2 people.
Yeah.
And such a good and tasty coffee, I would say. I would never tell a black coffee is a tasty one. It was so yum.
Such me, it was too good.
Without sugar, I always drink without sugar. It was yum.
Obviously, we couldn't finish. We got parcel. So probably now where we are going, we have to tell them we are going to the. She gave a hint. Our favorite place.
We will show when we are there.
Wait a minute. Guys, check it out. That is the
Bus.
what is that? Aqua World. It's very nice.
It's
For kids, it's really nice. Underwater. So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Very nice. One time visit. But we are more interested in something else.
Apart from fishes.
So guess where we are now? Yes. This is the Mysore Zoo. So that is the zoo.
And we got a caps. दोनों को दिखाओ.
It's actually hot. And what was I saying? Oh, it's fine. Oh, finally we made it. Although it is not at 4 o'clock.
Exactly. We have 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours you can आराम से cover it. I want to see the trippy bear. Hey, is he? Wow, look at this tree, dude. Mad it is. This is the entrance of this. Wow. Giraffe. Crazy. Look like a statue.
Yeah, dude, it's so beautiful now.
Yeah. Let's go. This we saw last time. All these birds. Color birds.
It must be called something.
It's written there. It's there, see. Here one. Cutie. Cuties.
इसको वर्टिकल ले लो और नाजी वाली रील पे बना देना. आउल होता है ना, आउल. वर्टिकल ले लो उसको. रील बना देना नाजी वाली.
So the birds there. Hey. Yellow. What is this?
वो नीचे बैठे हैं.
Saurus crane. That's it. Saurus crane. Beautiful.
Beautiful. है ना?
Yeah.
Nature is so beautiful, no?
Beautiful this is.
I cannot. White or both white?
Yeah, both right.
I can't see the other one.
Other one is here in this city.
सामने I could see, but the other, where the other one is?
Other one is sitting here. See, come here. क्या देख?
इसमें दिखाना अपने फोन में वाइट वाला. और ये इधर देख ले.
दिखा देख. अरे देख रहे? Check this fellow out. This beautiful fellow, eyeing the white fellows.
And the other two are all
Peahen.
peahens.
For him, giving them company.
And the other one is the peacock is another is in the छोटू gate. You can see?
No, that's not a peacock.
नीचे वाला peacock है
Oh
ना?
yeah, dude. वहाँ कैसे गया वो? It stores food there inside this. See? Stork.
Glossy metallic black upper parts and white below.
Crazy.
And almost wedge shaped yellow.
Simha, check this out.
You just take it.
Beautiful.
Golden prism. See, look at this, look at this. जो बना है exactly. See, look at this.
Oh, silver
Exactly
peasant,
ये
no?
बना हुआ है. Silver peasant.
क्या कर लिया तू? This is male, female. Females are there. Male. This is military macaw. I love these birds. They're so good. Yes, they're very rare.
Look at this.
Blue gold macaw.
Blue crimson.
This is most beautiful. Yeah. This is extinct wala. Unnati. Red and green macaw. Wow. This is so good. Red green macaw again. Oh, wow. Communicating. प्यार हो रही है देख नती इधर देख बाल हो रही है साउथ अमेरिका Scarlet macaws. Cockatoo.
Moluccan cockatoo.
Stop seeing the traffic outside, bro. Ten leopard, you can see him sitting here, sleeping. There on top.
Nini हो रही है. Nini हो रही Nini.
Crazy. There's one sleeping also there. Crazy. Only cutie area. See him? नहीं चला गया. He's like I'm done. See the spots?
Oh God, that's what I told you. This is, I recorded. See.
Yeah, super.
The other fellow.
वाला को भाई वो टॉप पे
चीता
Typical male.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೂರೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀತಾ
See this guy, see this guy. Oh God damn it, dude. He's huge. See this in this baby? Oh, in this देखो.
ಎರಡು ನಾವಿದೆ ಏನು ಮೂರು ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ರಾಗೆ ಆಡಬ
फाइट कर रहे हैं भाई.
ಬರಿ
White balo.
Came.
ಬರ್ತೈತೆ.
Majestic.
ಬಂತು ಬಂತು
National animal of India.
ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ
मम्मी क्या कर रहे हो?
Can you hear that guy roar?
अच्छा तो पापा भी क्या कर रहे हैं?
Hear closely, guys.
चलो बढ़िया है, ठीक है चलो।
This guy out.
हाँ
He's roaring.
हाँ मैं तुम्हें हाँ, क्या हुआ? अच्छा 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 दूर है गौरव, वहाँ
इसमें
से
देख,
दिखेगा।
इसमें देख, उठ गया देख, बब्बर शेर उठ गया।
पापा देखो
This is the oh male lion, oh crazy, oh crazy. They have got some good shots. These are ring-tailed lemurs. See, you can see them there. Cute. Guys, can you hear this roar? So rare. When they mark their territories, they shout so that their rivals can hear this. They can hear it for 2-kilometer radius. Just listen. So now we are entering the place where there is baboons,
and lion-tailed macaque.
macaque. So,
You share 98% of genetic DNA with me. See,
where is it?
second one.
They are your chimpanzees.
No,
This is rhesus monkey.
chimpanzee, boo boo.
Yeah.
Second one is not.
This is a lion-faced macaque, lion-tailed macaque. We're finding something cutie. The main attraction here is silverback gorilla. The main attraction. Silverback. No, it's a fully grown male. मत कर. Cutie है. सुट्टा पी रहा है. Check this out, guys. Unnati, you have to see this. Unnati. One male being grooming done by the other females. Typical baboon. Crazy. Here we're trying to find the gorilla, not to be found anywhere. See guys, he's sitting here. Can you see?
छिपके.
Riding. See?
अरे some cancerous protruding.
See, kulli hai wo.
Show me.
Baboons there, that's why they got
Fogged. Oh
very
God.
dangerous there. Some interesting things for you guys to read. You can always stop the screen and read. Behind, straight top.
हाँ.
Hi, chimpanzee.
Take it a real format as well.
See that guy on top also, dude.
नीचे peacock है.
Oh, what a picture. Beautiful chimpanzee. Still sleeping and chilling. And there's one sitting on top of the tree. He's old for sure. Another enclosure, another gorilla.
Yang siapa mama? Chimpanzee, gorilla.
Here, white rhino. Wow. Savannas, African.
We can kill you.
Yeah. In one go. Yeah. It is from the dinosaurs period. See how huge. Seen this? Unnati. They're very rare. White rhino. Check this out. Cheetah sleeping and watching. Hello. Hello, Mr. Cheetah. There's one more here in this corner. Like sitting like bell.
वीडियो कॉल को पहले कॉल करके पूछोगे क्या कर रहा है.
Oh shit.
मैं सिम्मा को वीडियो कॉल करती हूँ.
Oh, crazy, dude. Huge. Look at this guy, is so huge. The guy behind is so huge. Shit. Shit. Noti dekh. Ayyo. Crazy.
It's okay, कर देगा, okay. नहीं, मैं मैसूर zoo आई हूँ and I have so many good rhinoceros in front of me. I could have video called them. Good lions, cheetahs and rhinos. मैसूर zoo. Zoo. मेरे को ध्यान ही नहीं है, कॉल कर.
ओहो, झगड़ रहे.
हाँ. लाइन है, चला गया पीछे, वापस जाऊंगी तो करूंगी.
See here, through shore, through my phone. Orangutan, देख नीचे देख रहा है. देख नीचे देख रहा है.
अरे प्लैनेट ऑफ एप्स में नहीं देखे थे इंसान.
See this orangutan. He's rolling.
अच्छा,
रोल करके खेल रहा है.
ये देखो खेल रहा है. देखो खेल रहा है. अभी खेल क्या?
He was rolling, dude.
भविष्य चिंपांजी रिजेक्ट कर
नहीं, orangutan.
ओरांगुटान लॉरियल वाले He's playing.
वो
They'll be big.
नहीं
ठीक है, ओके.
Push-ups कर रहा है.
तूने शेरवेट की कोई वर्टिकल रील नहीं बनाई. आई एम सो अनहैप्पी विद यू. यू हैव नॉट मेड अ वर्टिकल रील. रील्स कैसे बनेंगी अब?
शॉर्ट्स बनेंगे, उसको स्ट्रेट डाल लेंगे वहाँ पे. चेक
कोई शॉर्ट्स के लिए बोल.
खेल रहा, देख तू उधर देख ना भाई. पूरा शो दे रहा है. ये सिम्मा को एक राउंड कराना है.
तो मैंने तो उठाया नहीं फोन. अरे हम जू में थे ना. हाँ अच्छा, हम मैसूर आ गए. सॉरी मैंने बताया नहीं. हाँ ठीक है, ओके, बस यही है.
Oh, dude, they're scared. They're like horses, no? There are some peacocks here chilling. Sloth bears, you have them right there. One was playing. He's playing with something. Oh, he's playing with eating something.
Eating, I think.
Yeah. Where's the fourth one?
देख ना, 1,
3, baby.
no, deep down there.
Oh, yeah. Crazy.
They eating meat too.
So many of these, you see.
पापा के लिए कर लो. Hi.
Then we'll go there and come.
Yeah.
We'll see black buck and all and come. So many of them. Ui. But dear, look at the stag. Look at the stag. Crazy. This is your Indian hyena. One is sleeping. Show fox. What कर रही है?
नहीं, उसको दे देखिए तो क्यूट लग रही है. Very dangerous. You they can just kill you like anything.
There चित्रदुर्गा.
बाबू की बेटी है.
Taking they get me that you're talking about.
Red hyenas. I think they're giving them food.
Yeah, that is it.
ओए
Gores, our bisons, Mr. Jackal. See there. Just ran. My favorite animal. This is the Indian gaur.
इनके वाइट कट हो रखा है वो.
Yes. So like as though wearing white stockings. Ooty's top. Unnati's favorite. Cuties. सिर्सी में ऊटी में है वेस्टर्न घाट्स प्रॉपर
All
वेस्टर्न
Western Ghats में bisons are, no?
lots. These are big fellas are male, no? Big guys. Like as though they have come out of a gym.
Yeah, the bull kind of a thing.
Yeah.
बुल रेस में पार्ट लेते हैं.
वो नहीं है. These
But
are
they
wild.
look like that.
These are wild.
Come.
Gosh. Oh, crazy. Wow. Rambo it seems. Crazy. Huge tusker. He's 34 years old it seems. What say Unnati? Cute, no?
Ready. God bless you, love you.
This is our famous loop bear. देख वही है. Last time he was stuck here.
कैसे चल रही? Look at noise coming from.
भालू. कहाँ खड़ी है ये? फिर से लूप में स्टक हो गई है. देख. There's some amphitheater when you come out. There's a food court. People who are tired can come sit, chill. See? Oh! You should see this. Wow, this is a free show happening. Crazy. See? The history. Wow. Sit here and watch the movie about the Mysore Zoo. Beautifully nice and loud, so nice. It's a place where you get A to Z food, refreshments, ice cream, corn, A to Z. But we are super duper full, so we're not gonna have here. We're gonna watch snakes, hippos, etc.
So we are coming towards the exit. हमने थोड़ा बेयर ब्लैक और वो सब थोड़ा वो वाला एरिया नहीं कवर किया है because we want it will get close and we want to focus on snakes. So we'll take you to the snakes वाला zone.
Check this guy out. I thought it's a rock. He's sleeping. Cutie. There's an Indian rhino. I've seen these in Assam. Another one here. Nati woke up. Indian rhino. This is there in Kaziranga. Oh God. Huge, man. This Indian rhinos.
Silma was wearing his
Basically looks like an ibex. He's posing. He's so cute.
goat है
He's
ना
up there. Saw this? There's some deers here also. Huge. These are beautiful sambar deer.
बाल घसीटने को बेटा हमारे इधर भी
Challenging each other. Australian wallabies. They're like kangaroos. Mini kangaroos they look like. Corner में. Checkered keelback.
they don't bite
They bite, they don't kill. Yeah. Checkered keelbacks. Very aggressive in their bites. They're crazy. This is your Malabar pit viper. See this guy sitting on top? Venomous. This only bit that Maruti. Malabar pit. Wow. They're all nocturnal. It's very dangerous. Extremely venomous. This is wow, so nice. ऊपर बैठा है देख यहाँ पे मलाबार पिट पर क्यूट कलर देख There we saw it was a different color, no? You will find this. See? Common wines, the green wine snake. Is a trinket.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಇಲ್ಲ
There are two on top.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಇಲ್ಲ
It's a flying snake. Yeah.
किसी को पटाखे वो ले
मेरे घर के पास है.
और लॉकर में रख गए थे You are no idea.
Check this out. So big is. Can you see his face here? Why? It doesn't kill. It can constrict. Constrict does. सीधे सीधे होती. Iguana, cuties, Godzilla, mini Godzillas. And this is your rock python, huh?
but the heavy one.
Yeah. Rope to 18 feet. Crazy. Rod. Check this out, guys. The albino rock python. Oh,
Beauty.
beautiful. Guys, this is the green anaconda, the largest species in the world. So guys, longest snake in the world, found in the Borneo jungles of Indonesia. Reticulated python.
Strongest snake शिव जी पे बैठता है शिव जी कितने बड़े होंगे
See his face is here, this side.
गुस्से में हो रहा है किंग कोबरा
वो कैसे मिस हो गया? I shouldn't even say what it is. Anybody and everybody knows. African hippo over here. See, this cage is overpowering. Check this out, guys. He's moving. Finally, he's moving. Very good. One there. One here. Species explained: Moral, Nile, Mugger. Is there in India? African slender snorted, Siamese, gharials found in UP. Came in saltwater, biggest in the world. It's found in Orissa and Goa. These are found in India, muggers.
don't get you from here
No, no.
रियल होते हैं
See, snouts. Another marsh crocodile. This guy here. Hi. How are you? African slender, snorted crocodile sleeping there. The false gharial. Morlets, crocodile. See this? These are aviaries. Oh, this is Nile crocodile. This is Nile crocodile. You can see it and tell you. This is an aviary. It's like entering Jurassic Park. Crazy. Oh, look at the size of those. Unnati, dekho na. Wow. Crazy. Beautiful. You walk through this, you get out. See, there's so many here. There's so many sitting there. Huge. Wow, so many. Crazy, see this? Beautiful. This is Siamese crocodile here. This is saltwater crocodile. Hey, empty hai ye. Oh God! Biggest in the world. It's the largest crocodile in the world. This is saltwater crocodile. Crazy. See that? It's written here. Emus. Guys, check this out. You see this guy? You see this guy? Ostrich. Fastest land bird on the land. So many. Crazy. Ostrich. Shutrumurg. These cuties out, dude. Huge there, huh? Just at the exit of the zoo. We are exhausted. A lot of walk. And this way fun and workout both happened. After this,
बट कैलकुलेट योर ईटिंग. तो हमने पास्ता पैक करा लिया था. मैंने पिज़्ज़ा का 21 स्लाइस खाया एंड आई वाज जस्ट ऑन कॉफी.
same here. So we're planning to go to Old House,
Just have
have a
one
coffee and then culti.
and just eat very light in the night. That's it.
That's the plan. Anyways, Mysore to Bangalore, you know the roads. Aram se you can go. Check this out. The fastest bird is looking at us. Cutie. Doing his own thing. Look at the color, guys. This is your cassowary. This is found in Australia. We're very aggressive species. I wanted to see this. Beautiful. See the color? Cassowary is beautiful. This guy out. This is what I want to show you. Just come for a cute stroll. See that guy behind there.
ಮಣ್ಣು ಅದು ಮಣ್ಣು ತಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗೋದು
3,
ಅದೇ ಇಂಚೋಳ ಜಿರಾಫ್ ಪಕ್ಕ
4. Guy is huge.
Parrots भी हैं.
Exiting. So many parrots. Parakeets, I would say. And exit of Mysore Zoo. Bye bye. Just shopping around the zoo. She saw something apparently. So, oh, we have a place to climb here. Thank God, I thought we had to walk all the way. So, check this out, some art place we have come. Oh, guys, done with the Mysore Zoo. Heading back to the Old House. Need some nice coffee. This time I want the long black with a double espresso because I need to drive back. And slowly exhaustion is setting in because I hadn't slept that much because of the movie. So need to rush back. I have to edit my vlog as well. She's giving me looks for what I don't know.
Because कल तुम 9 घंटे सोए जब मैं ऑफिस चली गई. उससे पहले दिन भी तुम दिन में इतने देर सोए
Hey,
हो.
that is recovery.
हाँ,
So recovery.
don't say that. People are hardly managing to get 7 hours of sleep, good gut health, and escaping from toxic work culture
happened?
and starting
You came, no?
work-life balance.
So we were about to leave. I'm sure before this you would have heard one sound. So there was some weird sort of a squeaky metal noise. So basically when our brake pads go in the bike, it comes when it touches the disc brake. I think it is a brake pad that has gone. Front two I had changed, back two I had not changed. So I'm just getting it checked from a local guy here before I drive back. Because my guy from the garage told me just get it checked once. Or if someone has loosened the tire nuts or tire bolts, I need to check that as well. So I'm just going to some place. Let's see if I can get that done. It's 5 minutes away. it was the back brake pad that's gone, so just getting it removed. Luckily this was the first guy that I found here on Mysore. VIP car care, really sweet. Brake pad. Can't take a risk. Waiting for some time. See guys, brake pad being investigated. This is the end one. I got a new one for this. So finally it's done. Checking the last bit of trial being done. Once that is done, good to go. Got coffee also for myself because I need to drive. Oh guys, finally the whole adventure has to happen, no? So it's done. The brake pads had gone. So he's put an aftermarket one. The original one is 4,500. He didn't have the stock, so he got the next in stock. So I've put that. Probably once I go back, I'll put it. But real sweet guy, Mr. Adnan. Thank you so much.
And do visit to this
And
center.
trust me, anything and everything with regarding the cars breakdown or anything, I'll put his number and I'll put the location below in the description. You guys can come visit. Adnan from VIP Car Care is the garage. They do a really good job, and you'll not believe it was almost evening. They could have shut and gone, but they told, I'll do it, let me just go for a travel. Sweet enough to give you a first attention, which none of the showrooms will also even give you. So
And the waiting time is quite long.
waiting time is long, it's okay, no, in the showrooms, right?
Yeah.
Showroom mein wo dekhenge bhi nahi. They'll be like, no sir, time up, come tomorrow, come Monday. These guys were so sweet. So, and he took me to a long trial run also, and he's like, see sir, is it fine, so the way he was doing the work only I could figure it out. So, and they are the first ones that you get car garages best in Mysore. VIP Car Care comes first, so really good. I'm gonna give them a very good review. Let me go back. So plan was to go to old house and all that. Everything
But
happened here.
God's plan was something else.
God was like, इधर ही बैठो, इधर ही बैठ के do your editing, everything. My vlog also edited, I pulled it up also. So time to head back now home. Unnati was watching her Bridgerton.
Good use of time.
Yeah.
Plus, अभी कुछ कर नहीं सकते ना situation. You need to dabble with it. So,
Cool, then let's get going. So guys, this is the beautifully lit up. Can you see this mini on both the sides? That is our Mysore highway for you. Epic, superb. So I think first time I'm coming in the night on this highway. So just go. This is like Yamuna Expressway itself. Beautiful. And yeah, dude, should reach in an hour's time at least to the toll gate. From there as usual. But good time is around 8:45. We should reach by around 10. Let's see. So guys, on the Mysore road, in Indian Tursli, we'll go. So I reach nice road, I will talk to you guys. Anything interesting, I will show.
so मुझे नहीं पता ये बंदा कैसे कर लेता है यार. तो गौरव, मैं पैनिक हो गई थी कि पता नहीं अब कहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही है. और जब गाड़ी एक बार जाती है मतलब गराज में ठीक होने, मेरे को था कि अब तो गए 3 घंटे 4 घंटे लगेंगे, मैसूर में रुकना पड़ेगा, व्हाट नॉट. तो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ कि कैसे ठीक किया.
Nothing here. This whole point of going out on a drive or a ride, you are always prepared for such things. Okay. So in the back of the mind that is there. If something happens, what next? There is no point in panicking because you are in a city. When you are in a city, you can find things around. When you go to a garage, there will be a solution. So always find solution at the fastest. Because it was at around 6:45. Because if it gets more late and it's a Saturday, garages will close. Don't waste time. First get it sorted. I went there. I got it. He's like, shall I change? I like, go change it. Because when I could have just come otherwise also, but that will lead to the disc, brake pad touching the disc and it heating up and it brakes won't, ಹೊಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ always, so what, it will take another 1 hour maximum. So what we use brains, nothing was like, why go to a cafe when you can get it? So we got coffee, in the meanwhile car also got ready and good to go. So in situations like this, never panic, always figure out solutions, then only you can go ahead with things, right? So when you're traveling, never panic, calm. When you're always calm is when you can always, think right. So that take one tip from me, that will come more experience, and I'm sure listening to it also you guys can try it next time. God forbid anything happens, I'm just saying if something happens, make sure you find a solution. You have internet, you have your presence of mind, use it to the right thing. Enjoy. So guys, we are on the beautiful nice road, and God makes his plans in such a way that I don't get traffic. He's like, enjoy Madi, love you. I reached the nice road. So yeah, we reached Nama Bengaluru. There was a bus guy honking and his tone was really nice. So I told him once more. He took offense, I guess.
बस यही हो जाता है बैंगलोर में आके, लोगों को एकदम ऐसे चलानी होती है जैसे कि अभी रात बीत गई और अगले दिन की सुबह हो रही है, सबको रश करना है.
Kebab zone.
Oh my God.
So yeah, finally reached Nama Bengaluru. This wasn't the plan to reach at this time.
We were supposed to reach by 9, so we are fairly doing good.
Yeah, supposed to
क्योंकि
reach
हम
there.
लोग कॉफी पीते गोल्ड हाउस में, इतना ही टाइम हो
उतना ही
जाता
टाइम हो जाता. इससे अच्छा एक काम भी भगवान ने बोला, भाई तेरा कार का भी काम कर ले. I made a mistake actually when Manikandar had replaced. He just told me front two brakes are there. He has changed. I should have asked him to check back also, because from Ooty when we came, this was the same exact sound that was coming. So yeah, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है. So this is a very good sign. Within a matter of a week or two, within 500 kilometers or something, front and back both have been changed. I have to keep in mind that the next 10,000, then I have to change both. So, yeah. Finally, guys, reached home. We were talking. Time is around 10:40. We reached around 9:55 to Nice Road, and from there, as usual, came home very quickly. Thankfully, it got late. So, yeah, guys, that's about it today. I think I'm going to end the vlog now on the same day. So, I hope you guys had fun with the adventure and the sudden impromptu plan. So, thank you so much for watching. Whoever hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Who already subscribe, like, comment, share. I know it's come very long. Didn't expect this, but when you least expect, you get a lot of content. So, yeah, thank you so much. We reach safe. So, I will crash now. Take care. I will see you guys soon. I'm going to close the phone. Bye-bye.